My family presentation. This is a family picture we took during a trip in the afternoon. In this picture, I am with my family. I am the oldest sister. My little brother is standing. He has short hair and is wearing a black jacket. Next to him, my sister is standing. She is wearing glasses, a light orange jacket, and white t-shirt. My mother is next to her wearing a green blouse. My father is on the right wearing a white jacket, a blue t-shirt, and a cap. Action in the photo. We are all posing for the picture. My younger sister is smiling at the camera. My little brother is standing quietly. I am putting my arm around my sister and smiling. My mother and father are also smiling at the camera. Background description. In the background, we can see a lake, boats, and a beautiful white building. The Colombian flag is waving off the left. The sky is getting darker because it is evening. Thank you.